Understanding at the first sign of a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the English language to make it more accessible for learners like you. Today, we're exploring a very interesting phrase, at the first sign of. This expression is widely used in English to convey a specific meaning, which might not be immediately clear if you're just starting to learn the language. So, let's unravel the mystery together and make your English journey a bit easier. Stay tuned. At the first sign of is an idiomatic expression used to indicate taking action or noticing something as soon as there are any indications that it is starting to happen. It's about being alert and responsive to the earliest evidence or hint of a particular situation or condition. This phrase emphasizes immediacy and precaution, suggesting that one should not wait for a situation to fully develop but instead act or respond at the very beginning. To better understand how "at the first sign of" is used in everyday English, let's look at some examples. At the first sign of trouble, call me immediately. This means you should contact the speaker as soon as there's any indication of a problem, without waiting for the situation to worsen. She takes medication at the first sign of a headache. Here, it implies that she starts taking medicine as soon as she notices the very first symptoms of a headache coming on. We should leave at the first sign of rain. This sentence suggests leaving the place as soon as there are any signs that it might start to rain, rather than waiting until it actually begins to pour. These examples highlight the proactive nature of the phrase, urging action or response at the initial indication of something. Understanding and using the phrase, at the first sign of, can be incredibly useful for English language learners for several reasons. It enriches your vocabulary and allows you to express precautionary actions or responses more precisely. It enhances comprehension when listening or reading, especially in contexts where quick reactions are discussed or advised. It's a stepping stone to learning more complex expressions and idiomatic language, which is essential for achieving fluency and engaging in natural conversations. We hope this video has shed light on the meaning and usage of "at the first sign of." Phrases like these are the building blocks of fluent and nuanced English communication. Remember, learning a language is all about taking one step at a time, and understanding these expressions is a big step forward. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope you found this explanation helpful. Don't forget to practice using this phrase in your own sentences to get the hang of it. See you in our next video, and happy learning!